The Dagger team, we're here to help you today to get you started. So some of you are Dagger pros, help your neighbors. If you're new to Dagger and you're stuck, raise your hand. We'll come around and help you out. So the goal of today is to make sure that you leave this place feeling comfortable, being able to Daggerize at least a tiny bit your pipeline by using a module. We'd love to just see why you picked that specific thing to Daggerize tonight, what things you might have ran into while you were doing it. Well, thank you so much for everyone for being here. Appreciate it.
If you push your module to GitHub, you can hit publish, and then it'll show up. Et voila! That's what we say here in Paris, right? We'll clap for every question, so feel free to ask me.
Interview you.
No, for real.
What's your module? Tell us.
Okay, so I guess like everyone has already worked with like a simple REST API with like a Redis and a Postgres and stuff. So the idea is to build a module to show you how you can use Dagger in order to manage your like local environment, so Redis database, but also how you can use Dagger to run the CI with instant container. So like it's gonna be like what you have before, but way faster because we're gonna use Dagger for it.
Okay, my module is when I started and it barely works. I would like for it to work better. I want to integrate with this cool tool called GPT Script that's backed by OpenAI function calls. I want to speak English to Dagger or French. I want a natural language interface to Dagger. That's what I want. So, anyone use Mastodon here? I use it.
So, hey, I'm Sam. I'm building a module to update GitHub comments.
And is it on Daggerverse already for people to try?
Of course, that's the only way to go, right?
Awesome. Very excited to try it. Thank you.
I went to Daggerverse and I searched C++, and there was nothing. So I decided to create the first Daggerverse C++ module.
Nice.
So it's very basic. It takes a directory as an input and it builds either a container or it can run your application. So in depth, you have a building step, a containerized step, or a run step. So you can either run or containerize your application.
Awesome. And are you thinking about publishing it to the Daggerverse when you are done?
Hey, maybe. I'm currently looking into creating a linter module, maybe. So, stay tuned.
You can use a module, the linear module for that. So yeah, if you get stuck, let us know.
Okay.
So we're working on a witness attestation module. And so witness is a CNCF project. It's a part of Intoto, and it can create attestations by observing processes that happen. And so this module will be able to kind of wrap around other things that you want to do. So it can observe a build process or generating an SBOM or really anything in your supply chain.
Very, very cool.
It's drift detection about Terraform code. So this module is executed and we'll analyze a directory with a lot of Terragrant manifests. Then it will run in parallel all these manifests. And if there is a difference between the source code and the state, it will trigger there is drift detection drift. And then it will send a report to Slack. I see the presentation.
Yeah.
Then as I was saying, I want to do the same module, but I was only with the Slack, so I did the contribution in his module.
I love it. Well, thank you so much. This is a perfect example of just using multiple modules and contributing all around. So thank you. I appreciate it.
Let's see if it worked. Fingers crossed. Whoa, nice. So you built for Mac, Linux, and Windows, and pushed those.
Okay, the AI is imagining something. Okay. Yeah, it's, everything you see, it's going to be fake, AI generated. I'm just going to be doing like this.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you to all of you for being here for so long tonight and bearing with us with all the demos. It was amazing to see everything that people built, not only tonight, but throughout the last few weeks when we've been building this. Yeah, round of applause to everyone.